Locate root 2 on number line. First you have to draw the right angle triangle. This is right angled at B, ABC. You know the Pythagoras theorem. AC is called as hypotenuse and AB and BC are the other two sides of right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. The Pythagoras theorem states that the square and the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Now, how to locate root 2? In order to locate root 2, let us take BC as 1 unit and AB as 1 unit. Now, let us find out AC square. Now, if I take AB as 1 centimeter, it will become 1 square, and BC is equal to 1 centimeter, then is 1 square. Now, 1 square is 1 and 1. AC square is equal to 2, then it implies AC is equal to root 2. Now to locate root 2, you have to take BC as 1 unit and AB as 1 unit. The first step is draw a line. I am marking every 2 centimeter as 1 unit. This position as O and this position as A. OA is a base. According to the base of a triangle, it should be 1 unit. The base of the triangle should be 1 unit and the perpendicular height should be 1 unit, and thereby you will get hypotenuse as a root 2. The next step is you have to mark 90 degree. See, the next step is you have to mark 90 degree. I'll place a protractor on the point A. Here you have to coincide. And I'll mark 90 degree. You have to draw a perpendicular line. This is a perpendicular line. Now what is the height of the perpendicular line? Here according to the triangle, even it should be 1 unit. Measure OA distance because I have taken as 1 unit. Keep A as a center and cut an arc. Let me call this point as B. Now join BOB. This is 1. This is 1 unit. 1 unit means according to me, I have taken 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeters. According to me, 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeters. Now, what is the value of OB? The OB will be root 2. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OB we don't know. OA is 1 square and AB is also 1 square. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. OB square is equal to 2. OB is root 2. What is OB? Now, the OB, that is root 2, has to be located on the number line. What you have to do? See, take OB as a radius. Take OB as a radius. O as a center. Draw an arc which touches the number line. Draw an arc which touches the number line. This point, let me call this point as C. Point C indicates root 2. This is the method of drawing root 2 on the number line. Next, how to draw root 3 on the number line. Using this we can find out root 3 on the number line. If you observe the triangle, OB is root 2. Now let us take OB as a base. Now OB square is equal to, I am going to draw one more triangle to this. Taking as a OB as a base, I will draw one more triangle. Taking the perpendicular to B, and I am going to join the other side. In general, if I take AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. If I take base as root 2 square, now the perpendicular should be 1, because see, square root and square will get cancelled. You are left with 2 plus 1. Then it will be 3. AC square is equal to 3. Then AC is equal to root 3. See, in order to locate root 3 on the number line, you have to take base as a root 2. Now, root 2 is already I have drawn. What you have to do? You have to take root 2 as a base. Keeping B as a point, now what I will do? I will place the protractor exactly on B. And I will going to mark 90 degree. See, this is 90 degree. I am marking 90 degree. Now, what I will do? I will going to join the line now. See, this is the line. I will going to join it. Now, already I have taken root 2 as a base and perpendicular height I have to take 1. Here, 1 means 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. Or else you can take the length of OA. Even OA, the length of OA is also a 1 unit. Or you can take the length of AB. It's also 1 unit. Now, keeping B as a point, I am going to cut an arc. You have to cut an arc. Now, this is 1 unit. Now, I will write it is 1 unit. And I have taken base as a root 2. Now let me call this point as D. Now this is a point D. Join O and D now. Now if I join O and D, now the length of O and D, that is OD is equal to root 3. You have to take OD as a radius and keeping O as a center. Keeping O as a center, you have to cut an arc which join the line. Let me call this point as E. Now, point E indicates root 3. Taking root 3 as a base and perpendicular length as 1 unit, and if you draw a line, then if you join, you will get one more point. Let me call as point as F. Then if you join F and O, then it will give root 4. In a way, you can locate root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, so on, so that you will get a spiral shape of square roots. This is an activity given in the exercise 1.24. In the same exercise, we have one more question. How to represent root 5 on the number line. What do you have to draw? You have to draw a right angle triangle. Now, this is A, B and C. If I take BC as a 2 unit and if I take AB as a 1 unit, let me see what is AC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, AB is 1 square and BC is 2 square. Now, 1 plus 2 square is 4. AC square is equal to 5. Then, AC is equal to root 5. See, therefore, you have to take base as 2 unit and perpendicular length as 1 unit in order to draw root 5 on the number line. Draw a line. Mark the unit as per your convenience. Here I will be marking 2 centimeters as 1 unit. We call point as O. Now, according to the calculation, the base should be 2 unit. According to the calculation, have to take base as a 2 unit. Now, ear to ear is 1 unit. Ear to ear is 2 unit. Now, let me call this as A. Now, the length of OA is 2 units. Keeping A as a center, you have to take the perpendicular. Mark 90 degree and draw a perpendicular to it. Mark 90 degree. Then draw a line. Now this is 90 degree. Now perpendicular is ready. Now you have to mark the length of perpendicular. According to the calculation, the length of perpendicular should be 1 unit. I have taken base as a 2 unit. We have to take 1 unit as a perpendicular height. Cut an arc and this is the point is called as B. Now join OB. Join OB. If we join OB, then this is 1 unit. If you apply Pythagoras theorem and if you find out the length of OB, then it is root 5. How to represent this root 5 on the number line? You have to take OB as a radius and keeping O as a center, you have to cut an arc. You have to cut an arc which touches, let me call it as C. This point indicates root 5. It indicates root 5. If you find my videos are useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next session.